Peace, you too. Eddie Gerard from Success Definers. If you need us, you know where you can find us, www.successdefiners.com. Shout out to the chesting up YouTubers out there. I see y'all. So you're just getting started with your business, just starting the outreach. You have no contacts. You have no Rolodex. Brand new. Where do you start? Here's something I bet you're not thinking about that will jump you ahead in the game. Neighborhood associations. Whatever city or town you live in right now, you have neighborhood associations. See, this is from my background from working in nonprofit for so long. Neighborhood associations are filled with boards and people who care about the community, have resource and access to resources, and 9 times out of 10, they are happy to see your email when it comes in. So if you want a tip on how you can start reaching out and start making connections and you don't know where to start, get online or contact your city or somehow find out the neighborhood associations, send them an email, offer to buy them a coffee or sit down for a Zoom or just a call and ask them how you can be helpful in the area that they serve. I'm telling you, don't forget about neighborhood associations. I actually worked with one and volunteered for one for a long time. We are in need of good ideas, good businesses, and good people like you to come and help out the citizens in our community. All right. So today, if you don't have no one else to reach out to, try your neighborhood association. My name is Eddie Gerard. You can find us www.successdefiners.com. Peace.